This is a recording of my Honda Fit starting cold and me trying to determine what's causing the noise. After some research, I learned that you could order just the pulley bearing, and here's the part number. To remove the belt, you loosen the top alternator bolt and then loosen the tensioner bolt just about all the way. To get to the AC pulley, you're going to want to remove the wheel and remove the fender lining. I took out all the plastic push pins, and then there's one screw up under the front bumper, and then you can fold everything out of the way. Or if you want to, you can remove everything. Next, you'll want to remove the pulley nut to get the clutch face off, and then you'll want to remove the snap ring to get the pulley off. I tried manually pulling it off and prying it off, but in the end I ended up using a puller to get the pulley off. The bearing on the pulley is staked in, and I didn't have any luck knocking it out with a hammer, so I ended up getting out the press.
It's set up like this. Here's my receiver. Pulley sits right on there. And then I have a socket big enough to sit on the bearing race, and I just press it out. You can see where those marks line up. Now for pressing it back in, you want it to be on the outer race. You want it to be on here, not through here. That way the bearing's not supporting the pressing action. like it's pressed all the way in. Nice and quiet. I'm gonna redo the staking on this. I'm just gonna hit around the edges and bend it in a little. I restaked it. Now it's ready to go back on the car. So to get the pulley back on the car, I just took a socket that fit onto that inner race. Make sure it fits onto the inner race and not the seal. This one is an 1 1/4 inch, and I just tapped it on there with a hammer. Nice and gently, nothing too out of control. Make sure that you reinstall your snap ring.